Thank you for stopping by. When you arrive, our parking garage is on Bradley Road. We share a garage with Staples and Petsmart in downtown Bethesda. Just pull in and take a ticket. Park anywhere in the garage. We do validate. The center elevator on the first level takes you directly to our showroom in minutes. We are on the second floor. Just exit the elevator and our showroom is immediately to the right opposite Staples. When you arrive, a product specialist will greet you with a gourmet coffee selection or a bottle of water in our guest lounge. We have a full inventory of new and pre-owned vehicles located directly in the parking garage. One of our product specialists will give you a thorough presentation of all the incredible features in our new Jeep lineup. We proudly offer a wide selection of Chrysler, Jeep, and Dodge, as well as Ram certified pre-owned vehicles. These vehicles have a rigorous 126-point inspection, providing reliability as well as a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. When you have selected the vehicle you wish to purchase, we will bring the vehicle to you in a state-of-the-art new car elevator. This allows you to take delivery in a climate-controlled environment with better lighting. Once again, thank you for considering Ourisman Jeep of Bethesda. We promise you will not be disappointed. Choose Ourisman, drive different.